I won't snap, go back to the old me, walk right up and just slap you in the face. These rappers is phony, these rappers is fake. Half of them lies and most of them fakes. Rap about all of this money they make. Say that they eatin', but they gotta play. Shit, me and my team need steaks. Bitch, me and my team getting weight. Shit, me and my team already on second stand. Every single man on my team done eight. They talk about what they gon' do, I'll wait. Cause I don't give a shit what they do, I'm straight. I'm already broken, so you know I can't break. Got my foot in the door, it's already too late. They just be lying. I step in the jungle, it ain't no denying. They say I'm the GOAT, nah man, I'm more like a lion. I come for your throat, bitch, you don't know you trying. Man, they must have forgot, bitch, I'm in hot. Bitch, I'm in whole shit down for the block. I've been putting work in ever since 15. Now they get mad cause I'm getting my shot. I ain't trying to be the greatest of all time like Pop. I just wanna put my name somewhere on the top. I've been watching all these other motherfuckers drop it. I got something that these other motherfuckers ain't got. Some pain and some passion just threw in a pot. Don't know how much anger, but that's just a lot. Set it on fire and make sure it's hot. Mix it together and what do you got? You got somebody that just gon' keep going and going, and no matter what they won't stop. This ain't a maybe and this ain't a might. This is a must have and just watch. They just be lying. They just be lying. I step in the jungle. It ain't no denying. They say I'm the GOAT. Nah, man, I'm more like a lion. I come for your throat, bitch. You don't know what you trying. Yeah. Y'all ready, man?
Come on, baby.
Guess what? Eddie made this fucking beat too. Huh? Eddie made this beat, bro. Give that shit up.
Come on.
Y'all ready for Dirty?
You ain't done.
What y'all thought that was it? Bitch, we ain't done. There ain't no bitch in my blood, I don't run. You wreck as fuck, I'm real as they come. You wouldn't survive the place that I'm from. Say you a shooter, but ain't got a gun. Say that you hustle, but you ain't got guns. You just like rapping and making up puns. I was rapping back when this shit begun. Might as well call me daddy, cause all y'all my sons. I hit the gas and feeling my lungs. I'm making bread and y'all scraping crumbs. But what do you expect me? I ain't right done. They ain't wanna come around when I had none. Then they wanna hit your back, so I cut off their thumbs. They ain't from the bottom, they ain't from the slums. They been talking shit, time to cut out their tongue. They just be lying. They just be lying. I step in the jungle, and ain't no denying. They say I'm the GOAT, nah, bitch, but I'm more like a lion. I come for your throat, you don't know who you trying. Tell you, man, that's the motherfucker, man. These motherfuckers is just lying to y'all.
Hell yeah.
We keep it real as